Welcome to my channel. My name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, Grow with Popka, we discuss everything YouTube. How to create your YouTube channel, grow and monetize your YouTube channel. If this interests you, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button below if you have not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next valuable video. In this video, I will show you an easy way to design or create your YouTube video thumbnail. Do well to watch this video to the end as I walk you through the step-by-step process how to create your video thumbnail. For you to create or design your video thumbnail, go over to canva.com. You can access this on your mobile phone. It has an app, Canva app. You can download it from Play Store or App Store, or if you are using your laptop, then use the web version. This web version is also available on mobile phone, so if you don't have the app, you can use the web version, canva.com, to create your YouTube video thumbnail. When you open the website canva.com, or if you are using the app, it's the same thing. Come over here, you're going to see this search bar right here. Type in YouTube thumbnail, then scroll down. You're going to see some suggestions here. You can see this search suggestion, YouTube thumbnails. Click on YouTube thumbnails. You will see several YouTube thumbnail templates here. A lot of them are free, which you can just edit and use. This is budget friendly, especially for new YouTubers who do not have much fun to spend on creating thumbnails. You can start with this. This one is quite free, so if this particular template resonates with your video, you can just click on it to edit it. This is another one. You can change the color, you can change the background, you can change this image and every other text here. You can edit it. You can see several thumbnails here. There are plenty all over here. If you scroll down, you will see more, as many as possible, so you can use any of them. They are free and there are premium ones, so you can go for the free for a start. Example, let's use this particular one. So I will click on it if this is the one you want to use. When you click on it, it will take you here. Then go ahead and click on this button, customize this template. If you are using phone, you will just tap on it to edit it. If you are using phone, just tap on any of these elements. If you want to edit this text, tap on the text and you'll be able to edit it. If you are using laptop, just click on it, any of the elements, click on the text, click on the image. You can edit any of them. You click on it. If you are using phone, just tap on it and you'll be able to edit. For instance, secrets you need to know, I can tap on this, then I will edit it. So here I can just write add. So you can see that it is bigger. I can go ahead to reduce it. So I'll just click on this edge and drag. Okay, you can tap on the edge and drag if you're using phone. They are just the same thing. Okay, so just tap on it. If it is not okay, you can adjust it. Just drag it to this particular point. Add video thumbnail. So I can just edit this one. I can tap on it, or if I'm using laptop, I'll just click on it and I will type add video thumbnail. So you see that this particular text is not really coming out well. So I'll delete this one. I don't want this one. I will delete it. I'll just delete this one. So if you want to delete, when you tap on that text like this, okay, you are going to see the delete icon here. Tap on it and you will delete this text by clicking on this delete icon. So that one has gone off. So let me use this particular text font and see how it will look like. So I'll highlight it, okay, and I'm going to type thumbnail here. This is what I want, YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, so you can see that it has crossed to this other line. I will click on this, I'll drag it like this so that it can enter the same line. I want it to be on one line. Okay, you can rotate this one to suit this first text. You see that this first text is lying like this. I want this one to follow same. Okay, so this is the rotate icon. If you tap on this rotate icon, you can rotate this text the way you want it. Okay, so you can see how I'm rotating it. You can rotate it whether you're using phone or laptop. If you just tap on it, you can rotate it like this. Okay, just long press on it and drag it this way. Then click on this edge. If you're using phone, use your hand, tap on this edge and drag it like this to reduce this font. Okay, so you see how it is. I'll drag it to this other side. I can see rotate it. See this rotate icon? I'll drag it here a little. Okay, so see how it is. It looks better now, isn't it? Okay, so another thing you can do here is to change this background. Right here you can see this background color. You can change it. If you click on this background, or you can tap on it if you are using phone, then come to this color here. You can click on this color icon. Maybe you can decide to use black. So you can see how black color looks like here. Maybe if we use blue, let's select blue and see no, blue is not cool. Let's use dark blue and see how it is. This one looks somehow. You can use black and see how it will look like. Okay, then if you don't want to use this black, you can decide to maintain the original color this background had. How do you do that? You can just go back. You are going to see this button here. you see this one is undo and this one is redo. So just click on this undo and you'll be able to undo what you have done. So let's go back. So you can take this original color, okay? Then if you want to use your own image, for this particular image, you can change this image and use your own. You can just click on the image and delete the image. Then for you to use your own image, you are going to see upload here at the left hand side. If you click on this upload, it will take you to where you upload your files. See this place, they say upload files. Click on upload files. It will take you to your folder. Just go to the folder and check for the image you want to use depending on where it is, okay? Then go ahead and select the image that you want to use. When you select it, click on open. Let me just use one as sample. Those images that you uploaded are going to appear here. So for instance, I want to use this particular image. I'll select this image and you see that the image has appeared here, okay? So what you do is to drag it at the edge here, drag it to increase the size of this image. Drag it again so that you increase the size of this image the way you want it. Drag it, then position it well, okay? Position the image well so I can speak the language or send the message you want it, okay? You can see right here the person is pointing at this text, is calling attention to this text that you should add video thumbnail to your video. So you see how it is. Now when you are done designing, you are going to see this share button up here. Click on share and you will see share this design. If you scroll down, you are going to see this download button here. Click on download. You see the file type PNG suggested, so you can download in PNG or you download in JPG. If I select JPG, okay, then if you scroll down here, you will see the download button. Go ahead and click on download. You can see your image is downloading. Just wait a little. It has finished downloading. Just minimize and go to your download folder. If you are using phone, go to your phone gallery and you are going to see that image. I will go to my downloads folder to check for that image. Okay, you see the image right here. If you are using phone, go to your phone gallery and after downloading, you will see that image in your phone gallery. I've already made a video on how to add this thumbnail to your YouTube video. The link to that video will be at the description of this video. So watch that video after now so that you know how to add this video thumbnail. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss my next video as soon as I publish it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.